Once upon a time, in a peaceful countryside village, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had a deep love for animals and spent most of her time exploring nature. One day, as she wandered through the fields, she stumbled upon a lonely, brown cow grazing by itself. Curiosity sparked in Lily's eyes as she approached the cow cautiously. The cow looked up, its large, gentle eyes meeting Lily's gaze. There was an instant connection between them. Lily sensed that the cow needed companionship, just like she did. From that day forward, Lily visited the cow every day, bringing it fresh grass and talking to it with kind words. She named the cow Daisy because of the beautiful flowers that adorned the fields they explored together. Lily and Daisy soon became inseparable. They would roam the countryside, exploring meadows and splashing in the nearby stream. Lily discovered that Daisy loved to be brushed and would often spend hours grooming her long, soft coat. In return, Daisy would nuzzle Lily's cheek. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and word of their unique friendship spread throughout the village. The villagers admired Lily's ability to connect with animals and were touched by the extraordinary friendship she had formed with Daisy. One day, an annual farming competition was announced in the village. It involved showcasing the strongest and healthiest cows in the region. Lily saw this as an opportunity to show the world the incredible beauty and strength of her beloved Daisy. With determination in her heart, Lily spent days grooming Daisy, making sure she looked her best. They practiced walking gracefully together, their steps perfectly synchronized. Lily's love and care for Daisy were evident in every gesture. The day of the competition arrived, and Lily led Daisy into the bustling arena. The other farmers and their cows were impressed by Daisy's radiant appearance and Lily's undeniable bond with her. As they watched Lily and Daisy's synchronized movements, a sense of awe filled the air. When it was time for the final results to be announced, the judges stood before the crowd, their expressions thoughtful. Finally, they declared Lily and Daisy as the winners, praising their exceptional connection and the undeniable love they shared. Lily's eyes shimmered with joy as she accepted the trophy, but deep down, she knew that her true victory was the friendship she had with Daisy. They had already won each other's hearts, and that was more precious than any prize. From that day forward, Lily and Daisy continued to spread happiness and inspiration throughout the village. Their story served as a reminder that true friendship knows no boundaries, and that the bond between a girl and a cow could be a source of incredible joy and companionship. And so, Lily and Daisy's extraordinary friendship became a legend in the countryside, cherished by all who heard their tale. The end.